Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Gaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise in OBS on your PC on your microphone. So this is easy to do. So just go to your scenes and go to your microphone. So I can see under sources, got my Blue Yeti microphone. Now I want to go ahead and then right click on it, and I can go to filters. And you can see I have a compressor, a noise gate, a noise suppression, and gain under here. So just go to the plus icon, and you can try adding a noise gate and noise suppression. That will definitely help. So a noise gate is going to eliminate like the background noise, the clicks on the low end. The noise suppression is just going to suppress the noise in the background. So you can try changing the close and open threshold right here. I don't. I usually just leave it like it is, and it seems like it works fine. Then we have noise suppression. You can do what you want with this, but by default, it seems like it's good. But just add both of those under the filter options and just test it out, and it should help you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.